Hey you guys, this is Man 3011 with Firework Stash Part 2. As you can see, I got 3 assortments. So I'm gonna start off by saying tonight is New Year's Eve. It's about 8:30 and I'm gonna go outside at 12 to shoot off these plus the ones in part 1. But yeah. This box is about 3 feet tall, and these other boxes are about 1 foot tall. So yeah. First, I have 2 firework party pack. Have 2 of those, which both have 26 fountains in them. And I have the big Razzle Dazzler TNT firework assortment, which has 55 different ones. It has 14 specialty items and 41 fountains. So I mean, I like that. And if you want to, you can pause on this recommended firing order. So yeah, I don't really have much to say. I mostly said everything in part 1. So yeah, I'll go a few that are in this big assortment. You got Sparkling Glory, which you can see is about the length of my hand. You got Starburst Fountain. You got Star Master, Hot Shot, Blazing Rebel, Global Lights, Pyro Program Fountain, Razzle Dazzle, and Silver Spangle Base Fountain. And then you have Rising Sun, Glittering Fountain, Brown Glittering Fountain Blue. Then you have Flashing Fountain. Then you have I Don't Know. Then you have I don't even know what that is, right? Yeah. I don't know what that is. Then you have Pyro Fan. Then you have this and this and this. I don't know what that is either. So yeah. Overall, I like everything that's in this assortment, that are in these assortments. And I'll try to videotape some of them and post it up on the channel. So yeah. So I already said mostly everything in the other video and everything, so yeah. Oh, and these have a glow fuse, so yeah. So that's my 3 assortments that I'm gonna shoot off tonight at 12 after when the new year comes in, and plus the ones in part 1. So remember, like, rate, subscribe.